Hey crafters! Today we'll learn 3 unique ways to use recycled items around your house for your holiday decor. But since my daughter helped me with the first project, she's going to walk you through it.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these toilet paper roll snowflakes. First you smash the toilet paper roll, then you cut it into all those pieces. Then you glue them all together in a snowflake shape. You keep gluing them until you get a perfect flower shape, but also a snowflake shape. Kind of a flower shape. But be very careful with the hot glue gun. It's very hot and you could burn yourself. Then you fold it like that for some decoration and then glue the middle. Then you push it together to let the glue dry and then put 2 pieces of glue on the sides. Do it with all of them. Remember to be careful with the hot glue gun and the sides too. Do it with the sides of the snowflakes. After you glue some more feathers like a snowflake on there. Then you spray gold spray paint and not white because it will be too light. Then you have perfect snowflakes!
Hey friends! Today I'm going to walk you through how to recycle old sweaters, jackets, and really any old clothing into gift wrapping. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this long sleeve and lay it out flat and cut it about halfway down. From here we're just going to flip it inside out and then we're going to close up the bottom edge with some permanent fabric glue. This stuff is washable and is going to last a long time. To make sure this glue is set, we're just going to press down with our fingers and make sure it is all secure. Next, we're going to go back to that sleeve and cut a piece off that's about 1.5 inches. Then we'll cut the seam to create one longer ribbon. And now we're going to add a little bit of glue to either edge and apply that to the inside or the ugly side of our bag. This is going to give it a cute little handle that makes it really easy to wrap presents in. And really, that's it. Now we're going to let it set for a few hours so it dries and that hold is permanent. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to flip this bag inside out so that you can see what it's going to look like when we're done. I love how easy this project is to recycle old items you have around the house into really cute gift bags. Because just in the US, according to Earth 911, we spend about 4.3 million pounds of wrapping paper every Christmas. So this fun little DIY helps counter that. Now to make a larger bag, we're going to cut a side out of the torso of our jacket. Once it's removed, fold it in half with the right or the pretty sides together, and we're going to do something similar where we'll take our permanent fabric adhesive and we're going to glue the side and the bottom of this bag together, making a closed rectangle with one open edge. Your cut lines don't have to be perfectly straight and your glue doesn't either. Now while the glue is drying, we're going to go back to the torso of our jacket and cut 2 handles this time. So we're just going to cut 2 strips off the sleeve that are about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Then we'll just cut the stitch line on the underarm off to make 2 handles this time. Now that we have our 2 handles for our gift bag, we are just going to fold them in half and glue either side to one edge of our bag. This way, our larger bag has two handles that still open up and make it really easy to put our secret gifts inside. Once your glue is dry, your gift bag is done, and you can move on to make as many more as you like. Our last recycled holiday craft is a really beautiful centerpiece made out of an old box, a piece of floral foam that I had lying around, and some chopsticks. First, you're going to take your box and cut a large triangle out of each side. Once your triangle is cut out, you're going to fold it back and forth in an accordion shape, which I forgot to record for the video. Sorry, guys. Once your triangle is folded into a cute little accordion pleats, then it's time to use a regular hole punch to punch a straight line down the middle through each fold. Now, I like to fold them in half, so I'm only punching through 2 layers of paper and use the previous hole as a guide to make sure that you have a really nice straight line without ever needing to use a ruler. Once all of your holes are punched through your triangle and it's folded really cute, it's time to weave your chopstick back and forth through those holes all the way up through your tree. This is going to be the trunk of your tree. Last, slice a section off from your floral foam and stick the end of your stick inside. This becomes your base. And you can put your little tree of forest together into a centerpiece or decorate however you like.